Hello, CCRI faculty and staff. Today we're going to learn how to add a list to your page. So first, log into OU Campus. Let's say we want to put a list right here in the main content section. We're going to hit main content. It's going to bring us to this view. You put your cursor where you want your list to start. And the first step with adding a list is you want the heading for the list. So let's say I'm making a list of classes. I'll also call it classes. I'll highlight that and I'll turn it into a heading by going to this first drop down box. And generally you want to use heading 3. So it's a pretty good size for list. I'm going to hit return and then I'll just start making my list. English, math, math, I don't know, bio, just some subjects here. And now I'll just save it and see what that looks like. Just by hitting return. What we have is what it does when you do it like that is each one of these subjects here are paragraphs. So that's why you have all this spacing. It doesn't really look like a very nice list. So what you want to do is turn these into list items. So let's go back to the edit view and we'll hit main content. So let's highlight these list items or these paragraphs and hit this bulleted list icon. And what it does is it changes the style so they're closer together, adds bullet points, adds some padding. So let's save it and take a look at that. So here we have a pretty basic list. You have the bullet points, padding. Let's go back and see what else we could do. So, edit, main content. So let's say you even want a more basic list with no padding and no bullet points. You can highlight the list. You can go to styles and scroll down until you see simple list. Hit that and hit save. And what that does is it gets rid of the bullet points and it gets rid of the padding. And now you have a real basic list. We can hit, and then we can also, let's say let's say you did that and then you said, no, I like it better with the bullet points. How do I put those back? Let's hit edit, main content. I'm going to highlight the list items again, and I'm going to go back to this drop down box. You can see this little caret at the beginning. We just want to hit the simple list again, and that gets rid of that styling. And then we can say, well, maybe we want it numbered. You can hit right next to the bulleted box, there's a numbered box. You can say, no, I like it bulleted, or no, I actually did like the simple list style. Save, and publish. View in the window. And here we go. We have a list, and we have a heading for the list, and that's how you create a list.